Bonjour, this is Madame Diamant. So if you're here and clicked on this link, it's because you landed on my e-class page and you read today's post, and it said that you were going to watch first video 1 on Quizlet flashcards, the tutorial on how to read your flashcards and how to turn in the work that Madame wants you to do today. Next, if you haven't created an account yet, watch the second video on how to create a Quizlet account and join my class, and it'll work if you have an account, obviously. Okay, so you'll have to do that first if you don't have an account yet. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the link for Quizlet, and it's going to take me directly to the login page, and I'm going to click login, top right. And of course, I'm going to pretend I'm John Smith again, 1232, and enter his password. And I'll be let in. Now, I have already joined Madame Diamant's class, and I am in her 4th period, French 1. What do I see when I land there? I see the list that Madame has added for our vocabulary for Unit 1A. They're all here, the vocabulary list that I went over yesterday. Now, one thing that might be easier for you is if you have your vocabulary list on your desktop. So, where is that? It's inside your notebook on the vocabulary page. So I'm going to go straight to vocabulary from here. And it is right here, the second link that says vocabulary list with alphabet. And you can pull it up and have it on your desktop to help you complete the Quizlet activities, because all of the answers are on this vocabulary list. And as you can see, you have the 4 different lists right here. The bonjour and au revoir, which are greetings and salutations. Comment ça va? How are yous? Politeness expressions, so expression de politesse, and les présentations, which are introductions. Go back to Quizlet. And as you can see, greetings and goodbyes. Didn't want to do that. Comment ça va? Expression de politesse and les présentations. The total amount of flashcards is indicated right here. 10 flashcards, 12 on this one, 14 on this one, and 8 on this one. So as you go through these decks of flashcards or lists, you'll want to complete always 10 for this one, 12 for this one, 14 for this one. You'll want to complete the activity. Otherwise, you will not get your green check on the activity in the gradebook. So it will not give you a complete score, 100%. Okay? Let's start with greetings and goodbyes, because on my vocab list, that's the first one right here. These are the vocabulary words. So I didn't want to do that. Let's go back. When you click on the list, let me click again to show you this again. So when you click on here, it takes you to the flashcards themselves. Look here on the left-hand side. Not only do you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different study activities, but you also have 2 games under play. The flashcards, all it is of course flashcards. It shows it to you in French. And if you click on it, it shows you the English. Okay? You can continue by pressing the arrows below. And à demain means see you tomorrow. À plus tard, see you. À tout à l'heure, see you later. Au revoir, formal goodbye. Bonne journée, have a nice day. Bonjour, formal hello and good day or good morning. Bonsoir, good evening. Salut, that means hi and bye. Ciao, Italian for hi and bye. If I were to go into my gradebook on Quizlet, I would see that I have completed the flashcard activity 10 over 10. Okay, I completed 10 flashcards. If I go to learn, this is a little more involved, and I love this one because you truly learn this. Not only do you have to guess what see you means, I think it's à plus tard. Yep. See you later is à tout à l'heure. So it has to do like a matching, à bientôt. Formal goodbye is au revoir. And see you tomorrow is à demain. And hi and bye Italian is ciao. Have a nice day. Bonne journée. And I've done this and there are 3 remaining, so let's just finish. Press any key to continue. Now it changes activities. It's asking me, what is see you? And I have to type that in French. So since you're only beginning right now, you're going to have to go back to your vocab list and look. See you is à plus tard. And you know what? Accents count. So let me à space plus space tard. Sorry for the font. It shouldn't mark me wrong. No, it didn't. See you later. Accent. So à tout à l'heure. And of course, I could have gone to my vocab list and looked. See you later. À tout à l'heure. Okay, and answer. Yes. And formal hello, good day, that's bonjour. All right, so you're going to have to go until it tells you that you have completed this activity. So let's do see you soon. À bientôt. And there's that O there with the little hat, l'accent circonflexe. And hi and bye is salut. And good evening is bonsoir. And finally, formal goodbye, au revoir. Now it says I am halfway done because I have mastered 4 and did 6. That's pretty good. So I will press any key and continue until I am completely done. When I am done, well, let me just show you what you're gonna see when you're done. Sorry, the E is here. And see you tomorrow is à demain. Good evening is bonsoir. Hi and bye is salut. And finally, ciao is spelled like this in Italian. Formal hello, good day is I always think I'm going to be done, of course. Yay, I've learned everything and I'm done. So I can press on finish. And now I have completed 2 activities for this one list. I have completed the flashcards and I have completed the learn. I've received 2 checks for this activity. So I am going to go back by clicking the upper left arrow, like on my browser, go back. And I'm going to go and, all right, I'm sorry, click on the Quizlet right here. It takes you back to the front page. Click on Comment ça va? And then, how about you try the write or the spell or the test? The test is a multiple choice and gives you all sorts of activities. The match, of course, is a matching, and you want to redo the match multiple times because, of course, it times you and you want to have the best time possible. And the gravity is a fun little game. So for every list, you will have to complete 2 activities for 12 flashcards for the total of flashcards that is on this one list. Once you have done 2 of these activities, any 2, go back by clicking Quizlet, and now you can tackle the 3rd list and finally the 4th list. Remember, you need to complete 2 activities per list. So here you'll do the learn maybe and the test. Once you're completely done, with 14 flashcards this time, you'll click back on Quizlet and finish with this last list right here, les présentations. Okay? You might not be able to do all of this today, but let's say you set as a goal to do greetings and goodbyes and do 2 of the activities and then comment ça va and do 2 of the activities. And later on this week, tackle this one and do 2 activities and this one, do 2 activities. And then you would be done and you would have a grade for completing all of these before your vocabulary quiz, for example. Okay? That will be due before the vocabulary quiz. So that's what you have to do today. Hopefully it's not too hard. Once you're done, log out and you're done for my class today. Hope this helped. Bonne journée!